Here's how we're going to use some of the studio lighting in here. This is the continuous LED lighting that we'll be working with in the class. So we've got some that are on stands that we'd be using, and some of them that are going to be more handheld, or you can attach them onto tripods, or even have them right next to your whatever you're photographing, whether it be a still life object or even a person. It can be handheld or anything like that. So we've got these ones which are plugged in to charge, and you want to make sure that they stay plugged in after you're done using them. These ones you unplug to get them to start to work, and then you're going to be pressing and holding on this back button to turn the light on, and you can double click to switch the mode. So you can switch it to like a straight up color, and clicking just once moves the options for changing like the tint and the intensity of the light. Double clicking again gets you to a different mode. There's RGB mode. Then there's like different scenes that are more for video lighting. And here's like just the traditional straight up light. You can change it, the temperature and everything. Press and hold, and you can turn them off. And at the end, make sure that you plug them back in using these USB-C cords just to keep them charged. This light is pretty fun. We've got an on-off switch right here, so you can turn that to on. And then on the side, there's some options to be able to change the mode that it's in and the brightness of the light. So got some options right there. Just pressing this little button on the top is the mode, and then down in this area we've got kind of some changes for the intensity of the light or the color of the light. So you can play around with that too. But just like the other one, you want to get it plugged back in to make sure that it stays charged for the next person that wants to use it. Okay. Then we also have a lot of these handheld LEDs. These ones you can take out to use. You can use multiple ones if you'd like. These, you have the batteries right here. On the batteries, there's these plug-in slots that match up with some metal right on the inside here. So first you're going to place it as far to the left as you can here, push it down, and then push it towards those little metal pieces to lock it in place. And then the switch is on the side here. Okay, just like our other lights, we're going to want to remove the battery at the end of our time using it. So to remove it, we push it straight back, and then we lift it out. Then you just have to match up the connectors with the battery charger. All right, so those are our in-classroom. Also, you could check them out if you wanted to use them for something at home. But these lights will be something that we use quite a lot in this class. We'll have more of these little bar lights that I'll be setting out once we get the chargers for them. Those are in these boxes here. They're more of these types of bar lights with lots of different colors.